Hey everyone, it's Dora that Yarny Zebra, and I did a thing. I did finish the garden flag, and I am so excited. It's right here. It is right here in my front yard, just being the star of the show, aside from these beautiful watermelon blooms that are going on over here. Check them out. Itty bitty watermelon, right? Let's see, can you see it right there? I'm excited, y'all. This is my first year growing watermelon in my front yard. I don't know how long it will take for them to be good and ready, but this is it. It's blooming and going way up through here. I know. This thing needs some TLC. It needs a little paint job. But here it is. I've got a running sugar baby watermelon doing its thing. But what we're going to talk about today is this. Oh, well, this used to be one of those other things that wasn't broken, but it's broken, and I still love it. So it just looks like a butterfly flopping around over here, doing its thing. But this is the finished garden flag. I absolutely love it. Oh, don't look at the ends over there. But yeah, this is it, guys. It's different. It is made out of that interesting stuff that I showed you in a previous video. I did have a little beautiful jewel that I want to hang down here, but it was a little too heavy, so I didn't attach that. I'm just going to leave it like it is and let it just be the star of the show out here for a little bit. It did pull it down a lot more than I thought it would, so I haven't washed this. I did not do anything. It hasn't been blocked, but there it is. I did say I would give you a look-see at it whenever it was done, and just a little simple, beautiful flag that I made. And here's the butterfly. I'm almost tempted to attach the butterfly onto this somewhere because it is now broken. But that's okay. That's okay. It's still doing its job. I think I like that, just hanging and draping there. And this just needs to be attached better. But here it is. Ignore that butterfly flopping around there. I'm excited, you all. It's finally done. I almost had it done before I went to the mountains, but I did manage to finish it just a couple minutes ago. It's me, Dora that Yarny Zebra, and we did just get a little rain, so everything is still looking a little wet right here. I came out to check my mail and got my mail. Took Mr. Lucky for a quick little potty break, and now I'm going to go back inside. And I'm just really, really excited that we were able to get this flag done. And yeah, nifty, nifty. I really do want to do something with this. It just happens to be just the right color. Correct? Yeah, correct. It used to sit there perfectly, but yeah, things happen. Things happen. There are kids in my neighborhood, but I love them. So, there's that. Yeah. My little shabby chic, shabby chic, I can't even say it, garden flag right there. There it is. There it is. Yeah, that's what's happening over there, guys. I've got this very old stroller over here that is from Denmark. I've had it for a long time. It's had better days, but it's just sitting there needing some TLC. It's had some rough times, and it's just a sort of like a garden thing right now. It needs a big bunch of flowers coming up out of it. Maybe that'll happen next time. But here's where we are right this minute. I am impressed with that little setup. Nothing fancy, but it's special to me. And there you go, guys. Yep. A crocheted corner to corner at the bottom to make the what do you call it? The pennant, or the okay, there's noisy traffic behind me. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Yeah. But yeah, there's that. There is that. The corner to corner, and I did stop with the corner to corner and then started up on the flag part to get her going. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm very, very excited that I did get it finished. Sort of was so busy in the mountains, I didn't get any crojo going, didn't take anything to crochet because I was too busy doing other things. But there's that. I am tickled. I am happy about it. I will give you just a little simple sampling of how I made that for a tutorial if you're interested in doing that. Y'all have a great rest of your weekend. It is Friday, and we're getting ready to go inside, fix late lunch, and I say we as in me because Lucky's already inside and so is SugarLumpuss, but I'm getting ready to go in, and I actually need to go ahead and have a little more coffee because I have that headache still that will not go away. God bless you all real big. Remember, Jesus loves you. You're the apple of his eye. And so am I.